Okay, this is the King's 40 litre fridge freezer. 2 years warranty, these are specifications. Internal capacity, okay, 36.6. The boast they fit 56 cans. USB charge point. Handles, digital display, blah 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 blah. Let's have a look at it. So they've got a manual, and they've got on top, they've got a centimetre and imperial scale, 40 centimetres, 16 inches. You open it up, got a little tray in there, blah blah blah. Got the digital stuff here, readings, it's connected soon. And there's a cigarette lighter, thingamajig. So all that comes with it, which was in that box. If you want Anderson plugs and all that, you got to buy the extra. And let's connect it up. See what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. Never used this before. Never used one of these before. Okay, let's connect it. Okay, turn it on. Let's see what happens. Come on, I want something here. Is that on and off? Oh, here we go. That took about 30 seconds to come through here to there. Of course, you can connect all to solar and everything. Oh, it's making some noise. 24 degrees. 12.6 volts. It's gonna be cup tray thing. Flat area. The battery's got 12.7 volts. How cute. User manual. Don't forget to do your warranty, probably go do it online. That's it.